Hey, these are the flowers of a crotalaria species. I don't know which one yet. This species belongs to the family, the bean family of called Fabaceae, and in German they're called butterfly flowers. And you can maybe see that a bit in the shape of the flowers. And why I'm showing you these, by the way, there's a relative here that's called that. This one I know, it's the Gambia pea, so it's not native to Australia, but it grows everywhere. And so why I'm showing you these, and most of them here you can see now are not in flower anymore. But I'm showing you these because I think they can be very, very useful. Like you can see their erect stem. And so why I think they're useful is because this family, the whole bean family, has the attribute that they could grow on very, very dry soil, on very, very bad soil. And that is due to their ability to fix nitrogen. And so they can fix their own nitrogen, which is one of the most important things plants need to grow, and even supply that to others. And so there's cases in the South Australian desert where there's a certain fruit tree called the desert kwangdong or red kwangdong, and it only grows in symbiosis with acacias or casuarinas, which also belong to the same family as this crotalaria. And so basically the acacias and the casuarinas, they can deal with the harsh climate, and they can still, maintain water and get nutrients, and they actually supply that to the fruit tree. So I think we should do that much more. And why I think the crotalaria species is so useful is because they grow erect. They don't grow bushy. So even if we would just, let's say, grow vegetables, this very erect plant does not interfere with the other, let's say we're just growing something like lettuce or even tomatoes. It could actually be a trellis for tomatoes. But so we could sow a row of lettuce and a row of crotalaria, and not only would it not interfere because it has a different height, but it also would provide a bit of shade, which is always good for almost every plant. But it would also, enhance the soil while you're growing something. Because normally it's like you're growing something and afterwards you have to enhance the soil. But now we're doing it at the same time. And we're also, and that's why I'm again showing those flowers, is we're also attracting lots of butterflies, and I guess maybe that's why they have a butterfly shape. Who knows? We're also attracting lots of bees and butterflies and pollinators, and so those ones could be one that we could especially use to do to grow market garden vegetables, especially I feel in the tropics where, in summer it's so hot, like just vegetables are not surviving outside. But if you would kind of grow them in a mixed culture with shading and soil enhancing plants, I feel like there's a good chance that it's definitely worth a try. And of course the same goes for fruit trees, whereas there we have more opportunities to use other types of plants, because fruit trees also like to be shaded a lot when they're young. So maybe as a last thing, you find there's this family, this special family of the bean family you find everywhere in the world, and you don't only can tell by their flowers but also by their pods. They're the classic bean or pea pods. So you can go and find that anywhere where you live around the world, or if you want, you can also put a comment and I can maybe tell you which one would fit very well for your region. And I know that mostly well for Europe and Australia, but I'm also able to quickly find out for any other part. So yeah, I hope that was useful. I got across what I was trying to say. See you guys.